This tutorial will show you where to find all the resources that you need to get yourself started on all the technology with regards to your online work. So let's start. Where will you find the resources? You have already logged into tut.ac.za. Let's log in there and see where we can find the resources. Once you're in the home page here, you can just scroll down and at the bottom you will see tools. The first thing that you need to do is to set up your TUT for Life email address. Please just read the screen. How it works, you go to TUT for Life, you reset your password, you enter your student ID and just follow the process here. The next one, if you scroll down here, is the Library and Information Services. There's a research support menu, a learning support menu, and about the library people, the menu over there, and there is your access to the library. What else do we have? We'll come to my tutor. That is what I want to show you. EduRoam. This is the wireless network of TUT, and you can read through this, and there you will be able to see how to log in, how to get free Wi-Fi at TUT, and where it will be. If you scroll down, you will be able to also access your exam results. So let's go to My Tutor. Before we go into this, My Tutor, D2L.tut.ac.za, this is the URL for the LMS. Let's just have a look at My Tutor user journey. If you go in here, here is a step-by-step document with the links. So first of all, you are all registered now, and now you must do your TUT for Life username and password. You also get for free the Office 365. There is the link, the ebook on how to do that. Teams, we are now talking, this is a video, but we've spoken on Teams. So your lecturer will speak to you on Teams as well. This is top tips, all the tips that you need. This is the module which I will show you. This is where we are going to log in now. And this is your Pulse app, which is the LMS that you can use on your phone. That is over there. My Tutor user journal. Login journey for students. This is where we can log into My Tutor, but we'll come back to that one. There it is, how to manage your password, self-help navigation tools, and this is where you can get help as well. My Tutor at tut.ac.za. There also is the top tips for students, and there is e-resources. For the Invigilator app, every test, every course that will be written, you will first have to go through the Invigilator app. There is the student user guide, and there is everything that you need to download MS Teams so that you will be able to go online with your lecturer. And there is once again the contact detail of My Tutor service desk. So let's go into My Tutor. This is the link that we need to click on, D2L.tut tutor.ac.za, and then it will say type in your username, which is your student number at tutforlife.ac.za. So type in your student email, ask you for your password, the same password that you use for your email, and you log in, and there you are. To come to your home page, you click on the TUT logo, and this is your home page with all the subjects that you will have. Another wonderful resource is this ebook. So if you type in TUT resources, let's type that in, .tut.ac.za ebook. Let's just type it in here, TUT resources ebook. This ebook will also explain everything that I am now talking about. So there is EduRoam, how to connect via EduRoam, how to install Office 365, and how to go to my tutor. Everything will be there. And that is at the home page in my tutor. Now, if I want to go to a subject, and I would suggest that you go to this subject, student orientation module, go through this module. It's very important. These are the subjects that we are going to look at within this tutorial. Getting started, first steps, online expectations, online strategies, exploring your LMS, university support services, university policies and procedures, as well as the Invigilator app. So you see there are so many places where you can find the same resources. I'm going to quickly go in here so that you can see how it works as a student. So it will give you the content. Once you read through the content, you can just click there and you go to the next content. There's the first steps. There's a video. You can watch that. You update your profile. I will quickly show you how to do that. And then it will ask you a knowledge check test. And you will also write a similar tests in your subjects. How do you do that? Look at that blue block over there, start quiz. And then the quiz will start, and now you do the quiz. And immediately after you submitted this quiz, your marks will be given to you. If it is a multiple choice questionnaire like this, you might also sometimes have hints for your questions. You can click on that. Like for instance, there are 4 correct answers in that one. You say submit quiz. Always just read your screen. You are about to submit. Yes, I want to submit the quiz. I can't return. And there's my marks. 1 out of 1, 4 out of 5, 3 out of 3, 2 out of 6. I've got 66%. And I say done. There's my attempts and my marks. I can carry on, and there I am finished. So let's go to a subject where our lecturer told us to do the assignments. So this subject name is Sandbox, and the lecturer told us that the assignment is within tests and assignments. So I will go in there, and this you will see when you write a test, to enter the QR code of the Invigilator app. So make sure that you read about the Invigilator app. I go to next, and here is the instructions of my first assignment. Read the attached assignment, click here to open and upload your own file. So I will need to upload a file. This is one way on how to do assignments. I click here to look at my assignment that I must do. There's assignment 1. Go to your handbook on page 20. There are 10 questions. Answer them all in MS Word and attach the file. So now you will in Word do the whole assignment. Once you've done it, you must upload it. How do you upload it? You go to upload over here. You search for your file. You can drag and drop it. So you click with your left click and drag it down over there. There it is. Or you double click and it will be there as well. You can also write something to your lecturer, any comments, and then you say submit. Submitted successfully. So you've done assignment 1. I want to show you another assignment, and that is an assignment where you will write with text. Here's the instructions. Assignment 2. Write a paragraph on the effects of heat in an electrical motor. It was discussed in class today, and you could find the information in your handbook on page 20. So you go to page 20, and now you can start to write your submission. I will submit here, and you write your whole paragraph. You can format your paragraphs. You can make it bold or italic or underline, or put different colors in there. You can edit the alignment. You can add video notes. You can add URL links. You can add pictures. So this is all that you can do. Just go through that and play a little bit with that and submit. Submit it successfully. You can carry on to see, but I'm done. Now there's also a shorter way to go to your quizzes, which is your tests or your assignments. Instead of going here and find it, you can just also go to quizzes, and there's all your quizzes, or you can go to assignments, and all your assignments will be there. There's the 2 assignments that we've just seen. And what else do we have? So course home, this is where all our subjects is or are, as well as all the announcements. Content is where your whole subject content is. And there is my content. And it show, and you will also see what you have done by the right click over there. That I've already shown you. Any assignments, any discussions, any quizzes, the class list where you will see your name, your grades, there's all my grades, and also a link to my Pulse app. I can also see my progress, what has happened with all my assignments, and there are some course tools. So how do you change your settings so that you can receive all the information that you need? You must go to your profile over here. You can add a little picture of yourself over there and say what you stand for. Or you can go in there to notifications and make sure, if you scroll down, to download the Pulse app. But there, make sure that you maybe get the announcements, that if there's assignments, that you get it in your email, and so that you are always up to date of everything that is happening in your subject. What else can you see? And then you can basically see your progress as well. So that is what I wanted to share with you. All the best with this year. You are going to do well. I am Nico Basson. I'm the instructional designer for the Faculty of Engineering, and your lab assistants will share this YouTube video link with you so that you can watch it at any time of your leisure. Rewind it, forward it, just as you wish. So make sure that you watch this on YouTube. Be blessed. We will speak again.